Imagine waking up one morning and knowing that something you created online can help someone while also creating an opportunity for you. Maybe you are a busy mom, maybe you have a full time job, maybe you have skills and experiences that you don't even realize you have could pay for, but you keep asking yourself, where do I even start? What can I create? I'm not an expert. I don't have enough time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how beginners can use ChatGPT to create their first digital products step by step. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need an idea, a problem to solve, and a willingness to start. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ikane. I'm a full-time teacher, a mom, and someone who is learning how to build an online business using digital products, AI tools, and digital marketing. I created this channel for people like you, especially busy moms and beginners who want to create another source of income while still making time for their families. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe because I share practical videos about digital products, AI tools, affiliate marketing, and building a faceless online business. Now, let's talk about today's topic, creating your first digital product. Part 1. Let's look at why digital products are a great start. Before we create anything, let's understand why digital products are powerful. A digital product is simply something people can buy and access online. Now, examples of digital products are eBooks, guides, courses, templates, printables, checklists, workbooks, planners, and the list goes on. The reason many beginners choose digital products is because you create them once and they can be sold multiple times over and over again. For example, a teacher can create lesson resources like lesson plans, activities, etc. A fitness person can create a workout guide. A busy mom can create a meal planner. Someone experienced with budgeting can create a money planner. You don't need to create the next big invention. You need to solve a problem, a specific problem. The question is not what can I sell? The better question is what problem can I help someone solve? Part 2, finding your digital product idea. The first step is choosing an idea. Many beginners get stuck here. They think, I don't have anything valuable, but your knowledge, experiences, and skills can become valuable. Let's use a simple formula. Ask yourself three questions. Number one, what do I know how to do? Maybe you know teaching, cooking, gardening, parenting, organization, fitness, business, social media, and others. Number two, what problems do people ask me about? You should ask yourself this question. People usually pay for solutions. Again, they don't just buy products, They pay for solutions that help them solve their real problems. Number three, who can I help? The more specific your audience, the easier it becomes. Instead of saying, I want to help everyone make money, say, I want to help busy mothers learn how to start a simple online business. Specific is powerful. Part three, using ChatGPT to create a digital product. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help you. ChatGPT is not here to replace your knowledge. It is a tool that helps you organize your ideas faster. It has a free plan and a paid plan. You can always use the free plan to do this. Fast brainstorming. You can ask, give me 20 digital product ideas for busy mothers who want to save time. ChatGPT can give you ideas to research. Second, creating an outline. Let's say you want to create an ebook. You can ask, create an outline for an ebook about starting a side hustle for beginners. It can help you structure your chapters. And third, improving your content. You can write your ideas and ask, help me make this clear and easier for beginners to understand. And fourth, creating marketing content. You can ask, create 10 social media posts to promote my digital product. Remember, AI is a helper, a tool that assists to help you. Your personal experience, stories, and understanding of your audience make your product unique and personal. Part 4, example of creating a simple digital product. Let's create an example. Imagine I want to help busy moms start their online journey. My product idea could be 30-day beginner guide to starting a digital business. And the chapters could include day one, understanding digital products. Okay, day five, choosing your niche. Day 10, creating your first product. Day 15, using AI tools. Day 20, creating content. Day 30, launching your product. Then I can use Canva to design it. I can create a simple cover, add helpful information, make it easy to read. The goal is not perfection. The goal is creating something useful. Your first product is your starting point. You improve as you learn. Okay, I'm going to take you to ChatGPT and we're going to see how we can create this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this product idea. Let's see and see. Okay, so once you tap and select, you can tap copy and then we'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, this is the interface of ChatGPT. It has a free plan and a paid one, and you can always use a free plan. So here you go to new chat and you paste this prompt taken from there. Okay, click and hold and paste. Let's try it again. Okay, it's there now. Um, okay, so let's just once you like I just pasted this here, and if you're okay with the prompt, just simply tap this button, the arrow here. So I'm going to tap it, and we're going to give it some few seconds for it to generate this. Okay, so this is how you do it. Come up with a prompt and then post it here for ChatGPT to help you create. Or you can write your own product just to make it unique, and then you ask it to edit for you, edit and add. Okay, you see, this is it. That's the whole guide on how to start. You can simply ask it to add more information to this. Okay, so under each topic, like day one, understanding digital products, you can write what are digital products. You can ask it to um, write that for you, day one, day two, all the way down. So I'm just demonstrating here. Okay, so once you're done with your product, you can copy the product. Okay, let's say this one is the title. So we'll copy this title. We will, that's the first tool that you can use. And the second tool is Canva. Okay, so once you're done with this, you go to Canva. You go to Canva, you log in to Canva, and then Canva it has a free plan and a paid, and it has all the built-in templates, which you can simply go there and type ebook template into the search bar, and it will display all the templates. You simply choose the one without the crown symbol on it, and you paste your product there. Okay, so we'll see if we can log into Canva. If not, then that's how you're going to do it. Okay, so you simply check for an ebook template, and then you paste the title on the cover page, you edit, use the different font size and all, and then once you're done, okay, so we can't, I need to log into this first. Anyway, so this is the app. Once you log in, you do that, and once you're done, you will see right at the top, right hand side, there's an arrow. You tap it, and then change it to PDF, and you can download it to your computer or phone. And then the next, the application that you are going to list the product on would be, once you package the product on Canva, you're going to list it on this application. I'll just show you. So this is the application that you can list the product on. It's totally free to list your products there, but once someone purchases, or you make a sale from um, that product, 10% will be taken. So if you're just starting out, this is a good platform to list the product. So this is the platform. You can go to my link, scroll right to the bottom, and you click that try it for free, and you click the link, put your name, your information, and then you go in. You're going to go to link in bio. You click link in bio, and you create your profile. And once you create your profile, you can design it however you want. Okay, and then once you create your profile, you can list your product. So this is it. You go to add block, and then you can create this profile. Mine is this. Okay, so once you're done, you can share. You simply tap share or copy, and then you can copy that. Okay, how to list the product? You scroll to this product, digital products. You tap digital products, and it will open. And then you can go to new product. Okay, these are my products. I have this already three. These are two new free products, and this one is the affiliate program I'm with. You can check it out. Click the link in the description or in my bio to check this one. Okay, so you can simply go here, mm, tap new product, and then you go to digital product. Okay, if your product is, we are talking about ebook, so it's a digital product. You simply click digital, and then it will open like this. And then you put the title, and you put everything here, and then you Once you're done, you go then you go to next and then you continue and list your product. So this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm just walking you through the steps which you're going to create and then package it and list it. Okay, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe. I'm going to continue to put out the tutorials for you to follow. Now, part 5, how to sell your digital product. Creating the product is only one part. The next step is letting people know it exists. Once you list your product on Beacon, okay, Beacons is totally free to list the product. Okay. The next step is letting people know it exists. You can use like YouTube videos, that's long form content, Facebook, TikTok, Threads, Pinterest. The key is creating helpful content. Don't just say, buy my product. Build, instead, teach something valuable. Build trust. Help people. Then your product becomes the next step for those who want more help. Okay, so people buy solution for their problems. If you can create that for them, trust me, you'll make a lot of money. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe because in the next videos, I will show you more about creating content with AI, building a faceless brand, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products online. I want to know from you, what digital product would you love to create? Comment below and share your idea. And if you want to learn the system I'm using to build my online business, you can check the link in the description. Remember, you don't need to have everything figured out before you start. Start small, learn every day, build step by step. Your future can be changed by the action you take today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.